cell phone holster?
Yeah.
That's why I had it. For this exact reason.
Yep. That's a big one. He's got me in stuff. That's a toad. That's a toad. Gotta get him out of all that shit. Oh,
Bro.
Wow, dude, I had to horse him out of that. Oh my God, look at that fish.
I can't, all right, you gotta like.
Hold on.
You gotta pick a balancing point here.
Hold on. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. I am getting ready to go meet my buddy Mark, and we're gonna fish a new body of water. He's got a John boat out there that we can use. I'm gonna bring my trolling motor and a battery. We're gonna use that. Kinda wanted to bring pig rig, but he's already got a boat out there, so it doesn't make sense for me to haul that out there. But yeah, I'm excited. Love fishing new water. This spot is kind of private, so it should be pretty good. Definitely doesn't get a lot of pressure. Hopefully we'll have the whole lake to ourselves. Only got a few hours of fish, so hopefully it's good. Stay tuned. This is a little sketchy, guys. It's like a 10-foot John boat. And I'm like 250 pounds. You're like, what? You're like almost 200.
Oh, dude, we're in.
I don't like how sketchy that transom is back here. I hope I don't lose my trolling motor. We're gonna put this like right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably not as bad as it seems. Cause like mine seems a little sketchy at first too. Like not this sketchy though. There's definitely water getting in here somewhere. A little bit. Yeah, it's not that bad actually.
Ah. Bro.
It's a little sketch, it ain't that bad. No, it's like a release somewhere.
I see it.
Be careful, because I don't know how good that transom's gonna hold. Oh God, you turned it on. Yeah, just keep dropping.
I was trying to shut it off.
There you go. Now you can lower that if it's too high. Yeah, it's got like, the speeds are crazy too. Like the last one is just like haul ass. Like we'll be flying in this thing probably. He does it?
Yeah.
That's funny, dude. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh, that was big, dude. It knocked it so hard. I don't know how I missed it. That's upsetting. Is he back? No. Nice, dude. We almost had doubles. Oh, no. Spin it.
Damn it.
Dude, something knocked me so hard over here. I don't understand how to get him. Oh, look what he did to me.
Did he crawl you?
Yeah, you know what? I think I forgot my crawls.
Still wouldn't stand in it.
I was standing on the bench. You didn't see me standing on the bench?
Yeah.
I ain't scared. Mine's definitely a little more stable than this. Oh, I missed one.
I don't want to do any corrections, but I want you to. It looks like he's got a good angle on that foot.
Yep. There he is again. He's little. He's little.
Is it?
I think so. Yep.
Yanker.
He's a little bigger than I thought he was. He's still little.
Oh, wow.
Come here.
Come here.
Doubles.
That's a tiny one.
That's all right. We got doubles.
Doubles. Whoa. Doubles.
Did somebody wreck this guy's jaw before? This guy's gnarred up. Look at that right there. Look at his jaw right there. Dude, you're getting destroyed right there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. All right, later, little guy.
I'm
damn.
and I don't have gray to get him. All right. Well.
That was sketch.
No more moving like that. We're taking on a little more.
Okay, where's this water coming from? What if we're just like so focused on fishing, and then all of a sudden we're just like, my feet are wet. We look down, there's like a foot of water in the boat. Slowly sinking, guys. This John boat's a little sketch. Should've brought mine.
My little cell phone holster?
Yeah.
That's why I had it. For this exact reason.
Yep. That's a big one. He's got me in stuff. That's a toad. That's a toad. Gotta get him out of all that shit. Oh. Wow, dude, I had to horse him out of that. Oh my God, look at that fish.
I can't, all right, you gotta like.
Hold on.
You gotta pick a balancing point here.
Hold on.
If I can lift him.
Oh, dude. Dude.
Look at the fish. Dude. Oh my God. Maybe, let me see. Maybe 6. Oh my God. That is a stud though. Man, I thought she was bigger than that even. They've been getting me all year, been thinking they're bigger. That ain't bad. Dude, look at the head on that though. That's why it got me. Holy crap. She tried to get me around all that. That's why I use 60-pound braid. Man, when she first came up, that head, look at that mouth. I thought it was a donkey, but still, that's about a 5-pounder. That's a good fish. Oh yes, that was awesome. She had me wrapped around all kind of trees and stuff. Had to get her out. I'm gonna let her go now. Oh, thank you, girl. She's not a bad one. What are you doing?
I like how she just slow drifts out.
She was like, did he let go? I love it. I still get so excited every fish that size.
You want to get that away from the puddle of water behind me?
Oh, yeah. Was it in it?
Everything on that wooden dock. And then just tilt the boat over for a minute and drain it all out.
I might have something. Actually, I got a cup in my car. Grab it. Started raining. I don't want to get my camera wet. I'll put her back in here. Yeah, there's a lot of water back here right now. Toads in here.
Yeah.
That fish was fun. I thought she was so much bigger, but still, I think I got one. There had to be something in there.
There it is. That's the one.
Damn it. Oh God, you're soaking me. Oh, chill out. You're gonna go back.
Stop it. Jesus.
That's a healthy little fish.
Tore the rip on it.
Later, bro. Make you do a back flip or front flip. Nice. Just all disoriented now. Like, what's going on?
Again? Like just teasing it. Whoa, why are you slow? Where'd it go?
On a branch? You got him? Oh, you got him. Nice.
I'm like, where did it go? It's not where I cast it at.
Old Jig. Jig's put in work. That was awesome. He hit it like 4 times. Hell yeah, dude.
Just hanging out with it. Nice.
That was awesome.
There's no
I knew there was a
belly fluffer.
I knew there had to be a fish.
Had an absolute giant just destroy my jig.
Yeah, dude. There he is. Oh, what?
Dude, that thing was decent.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was so crazy.
That thing was huge. Sorry I yelled. I straight screamed.
Dude, like it ran one way and I set the hook and he went flying the other way. I'm trying you ever seen one of these?
No.
Almost perfect.
Never seen that before. Just did. Hashtag kill. Thorn bushes.
Oh.
There's Dad. Where's Mom?
Yeah, that's not a bad one. Oh, you just be done. You're done. You're caught. Dude, Jig is doing work. Look at that 6-pounder.
6-pounder.
Oh man. Later, bro. So you guys are literally watching all of my videos though. So
Thanks for the views.
yeah, like
that's all that matters. YouTube don't care what you think about it.
right. Oh God. Drilled it.
Using the same thing, trying to fish it the same way. Gill.
I'm a jig fisherman.
You just,
I mean,
oh God.
you got him? Oh, buddy. What do you got? Fish? Big one? Log?
Log
Tree?
fish. Oh, that's the only bad thing about a boat. Now I'm pulling myself towards it.
There she goes. I'm not trying to say I'm the best fisherman alive or anything, but when they're on a jig bite, there aren't many people that are gonna outfish me.
No.
I did this. My buddies down in Georgia, man. We went to a lake in Alabama, and they were on a jig bite, and by the end of the day, they were pissed. I caught like 60 fish, and they caught like 3. They're like, "How are you doing this?" Oh my goodness, I've been recording the whole time. For some reason, I wasn't for one of the coolest things that happened. We just saw a bass chasing bluegill all over the bank. I threw my jig in there, Instantly smashed it. Why wasn't I recording? That was so cool. Okay, look at how good I hooked that thing.
I got the.
I got her. I don't know. I don't think she was on a bed. I think she was just chasing them gills.
I think that's a.
Look how heavy that little thing is. Like, feel that. It weighs way more than it should.
What?
She looked big at first too.
Yeah.
My
All
God.
right,
Later, bro. Woo. That was nuts. Why was I not oh God, dude. I was recording for that. Well, I might have set the hook a little hard on that one, but wasn't taking any chances. It could have been a donkey. Dude, they're choking something down. Dude, my line was just going.
You're like, oh God.
I pulled her out of the water. Oh God.
Oh, Jesus Christ, bud.
Did you see it though?
No.
I saw the fish.
Was it big?
No.
Why are you setting the hook on such little fish so hard?
Because I don't know that they're little until I saw them after I said it. Oh boy. Dude, there's like crazy stuff happening. They're feeding right now. The front's coming in.
I don't know.
Get off of there. Hold this.
Oh God, no. I don't want to be wet today.
Oh God, this is sketch. That's how you get shit done.
I'm sitting here just trying to tie on a crankbait, and everything around me is happening so fast. There's fish flying at my face. Joe's ripping trees off.
Oh my gosh.
The boat's rocking.
Yeah, we got a lot of water.
We're taking on water. I'm laughing so hard I should have a six-pack. I feel like a lot of people are going to get a big laugh out of this episode.
Probably. Oh, you got him? Oh, nice. Not bad. Dude, he smashed that.
Yeah, he did.
Old crank. Dude, he drilled that.
Yeah, he did right at the boat.
He was out of way a little bit. That's interesting. I think I think these are like the schoolies, because like those ones I just caught, I think were pushing bait up. Like they were schooling.
Okay.
Oh God. There he is. Well, I don't know why you guys are all stacked right here, but you are.
Baby bash, baby bash.
Look how I'm hooking them. You got them?
No, they're short stroking me right now.
Watch this little secret.
Whap.
There we go. Look at the fat little guy. All right. Why doesn't the Fallsby one have it?
Fall must be one. That's Tractor Supply, bud.
Not anymore. It's Roll King.
And Fall must be?
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
It's not Nonate. It's not Tractor Supply. Not anymore. It's been Roll King for a while now. Even longer.
I think this is going to be a little too long.
Whoa, what happened? Not bad. So many in here this size. I mean, they're healthy fish. There, bro.
Hey, this is what it was like.
Oh, what the hell is that? That's what I was thinking about doing, but like when we come back now, like I wanted to see how good it was first, because sometimes it's a pain in the ass if you're limited to like a couple baits.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
What the hell?
Jig fishing. Dude, they're all like that size. Dude, chill. Pretty litty out here, guys. I mean, they're all about that size, except for that one, but I'm slaying them on the jig. Hey, bro. This is still deep enough that there could be fish right here, though.
I say go straight for that corner.
Yeah. We'll skip. Oh, there he is. Yep, there was a fish there. I knew there was a fish. Had to be. Look at that mondo.
The wacky one.
Oh, it's number 65. I'm joking. You got him in there. He's in that tree. That's exactly what happened to you back there.
Nothing's going my way today. Okay.
Nicely done. Nice. That was crazy. You had a big old mouth. What just happened?
Don't know, bud. You're in there somewhere.
That's what. Oh, that was big. That was big. No, no. Why? Dude, I just had a mondo. Damn, bro. All right, I'm gonna go.
God, you go first.
Damn, dude, I don't like losing fish. That's not the one I lost. No way. No way. Oh, God. Dude, I'm so bummed about losing that one. That'd have been a great fish to end it on, probably.
Boink.
The amount of water in here right now is redonkulous. I think you're back here. Oh God. Oh boy.
Alright.
Your bag is soaked, dude.
Well, that's really all I have for you guys today. Really hate that I missed that big fish at the end. Would have been a perfect way to end the day. Just didn't happen. But I mean, I caught a ton of fish, and that one fish was a freaking pig. I thought she was so much bigger than that just because she was so freaking fat, but she was only like 21 inches long. So that fish was like 5.5 pounds, something like that. I still get so freaking excited over fish that size. That fish just looks ridiculous on camera. It looks way bigger than it was. I posted a picture on Instagram. People were commenting saying it was like 9, 10, 12 pounds, like just ridiculous stuff. Fish was like no more, definitely no more than 5.5 pounds. Just really fat. So I pretty much caught everything today on the jig, and I'm a really good jig fisherman. So when the fish are keying in on that type of bite, I mean, I usually am, I'm gonna catch so many freaking fish. And I had a blast. Like, I didn't even put all the fish that I caught into this video because it was just so redundant. I mean, every fish was, other than that one big one, every fish was about 1 to 2 pounds. And I probably caught like 30 fish, but if I would have put all that in here, I mean, it was just so freaking redundant. The video would have been like 30 minutes long, and it would have just been me catching a bunch of 2-pounders. So figured there was no need for that. That is a dope little spot. I'm definitely gonna be going back there with Mark. I think I'm gonna take my John boat, aka the pig rig, next time, because as you guys could tell, that boat was pretty sketchy. You know, it was filling up with water. That's why I had Mark operate the trolling motor at first, because he weighs about 50 pounds less than me. Water was still coming in with him, and then he wasn't really that used to my trolling motor and stuff. Obviously, I'm more comfortable with my trolling motor since it's mine, and I've already used it a bunch of times, so we switched up, and then more water was coming in when I was sitting in the back, because that's where the leak was. But I mean, it got the job done. But next time, I'm definitely gonna bring my John boat. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been on a really solid bite lately. A lot more content coming. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.